Hi, hello, namaskara. Let's explore Sahyadri today. I'm taking you to Thamini Ghat. It's a hilly region which connects Pune and Raigad district of Maharashtra. For people who stay in Pune, it's an yearly ritual to visit Thamini Ghat and Lonavala during monsoons. Needless to say, nature is at its best during monsoon. So Thamini Ghat is such a scenic route that there is no single second where you are not amused by these lush green mountains. These mountains, waterfalls, they make your soul smile. So one such place that we are going to explore today is Savalya Ghat. Savalya Ghat is around 60 kilometers from Pune. Once you cross Bhairavnath temple, there is a hotel named Jai Malhar. To that right, there is the signboard or the name board for Savalya Ghat. Take that right, and after taking the first right, so you'll have to take the first left. Again, there is a name board for Savalya Ghat. When we reached there, it was pretty clear, but yet times nature is not that predictable. So we could see fog coming, but within few minutes, we were literally in the cloud. Everything was foggy and blurry. You can see that in the video. Just wait for a few seconds. There it is. We were in the cloud. To say more about this place, there is a small homestay over there, and there is ample amount of parking space. They charge you 50 rupees per head, and you can park your vehicle. And for quick bites or some quick tea or coffee, you can go to the homestay and avail those services. There we parked our vehicle and we started walking. It will take you like 5 to 10 minutes walk to spot one. There are different spots. I'm gonna show you those spots. So we started walking. It was all foggy, mystical, it was blurry, chill, and it started raining also. You see this pond here? It was looking very mystical, foggy, and it was very nice. Let me show you this after coming back when there was no fog. Wait till the end. There is a small shop for water and quick bites. When we reached spot one, this was the view. In fact, there was no view, it was all covered in fog. We could hear waterfall, and slowly, luckily, the view was getting clear, fog was moving, and we decided to explore further and move to spot 2. Spot 2 is right below the spot, and the way was quite steep and slippery, but we somehow managed to reach spot 2. And as and when we reached spot 2, this was the first glimpse, and first glimpse of such spots are very, very special. Wait for it. This view. Time for some beautiful drone shots shot by my handsome husband. Thrilling. As I was saying, there are different spots. We were at spot 1, we moved to spot 2. We couldn't go to spot 3, which is the final Savalya Ghat spot, because the way was steepy and we were not prepared for the trekking. And this is spot 3, which is Savalia Ghat spot. I do not have any words to praise this beauty of this place. Instead of praising it or trying to praise it, I'll just let you soak in the beauty of this place. The waterfall that we are seeing right now on the screen is Devkund waterfall. Devkund waterfall is pretty famous in Maharashtra, and this is the drone view of it. Let's go a bit near to this waterfall so that you can see how crowded the waterfall is. Those tiny dots, they are people. Now we are seeing the other side of the valley, and this is Andarban Valley. You might have heard about Andaban Trek. So, Andaban is on your right, and the valley opposite to it is the same view that you get when you finish the Andaban Trek. So, the final step of Andaban Trek where you get to view the valley. So, this is the same valley. Let's turn and see the shape of the valley. So, this valley is also called Plus Valley because of its shape. The dam that you are seeing over there is Bira Dam. With a grateful heart, it was time to say goodbye to this place. And I spoke about this pond, right? It was just a puddle, but it was looking so mystical and beautiful during when it was covered in mist. So it was time to say bye. Do visit this place, but be a responsible traveler. Take care of yourself and nature. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.